Most EV owners confuse battery pack testing with module testing, but these two tests are completely different, and they judge battery health in different ways. Today, we will fully break down what whole battery pack charge and discharge testing is, how it works, why it matters, and how it differs from module testing. The whole pack charge and discharge test is a systematic, comprehensive detection for the fully assembled EV battery system. Unlike partial component detection, it regards the entire battery pack, including all modules, BMS, circuit, and temperature control systems. As a complete power unit, it simulates a standard charging and power consumption state to detect the overall performance of the battery system. The standard whole pack test follows 4 physiological steps. First, standard constant current and constant voltage charging to fully activate the battery system. Second, static standing to stabilize internal voltage and temperature data, ensuring detection accuracy. Third, graded continuous discharge to simulate real vehicle power consumption scenarios. Fourth, full data recording and analysis to evaluate the overall state of the battery pack.